Hello, welcome to this video lecture. In today's lecture, I will be explaining OLA concept as practical. Before getting into this lecture, go and visit our previous video lecture about this concept. Only then it will be easy to understand. Okay, let us move into today's session. Okay, how to connect that is how to use an OLE object into our VB application. That's our today's class. Okay, so here I explained all these about in theory form in our previous video lecture. Then only I told you go and visit that previous lecture and come to this video clipping. Here in a toolbox there is one object, OLE object, that is OLE object. Here just to click and place into our VB form, so it automatically display one insert object dialog box. Okay, so in this insert object dialog box we have two options, that is create new, create from file. So these two options are used to get an linked applications, that is linked and embedded applications, but it will be designed from where. Okay, so create from file means that linked object, that is linked application already is in your file list. Okay, so no need to get from your file. Just to create a new application means to select this option, that is create new. Okay, so suppose create new means then which application you will be ready to create now. Okay, so we can connect more than one office applications into your VB applications. That is the main concept of OLE, isn't it? That is how to perform that linking and embedding. So what is linking means? Linking means just to give a link where your object, linked object is in. Okay, but embedding means get an data also. Okay, so that is the linked object data also as is in your OLE container control. That is create new. Here create new means which application will be created for your new file. That is, suppose if we create a Microsoft Word documents means, okay, just to select this one, Microsoft Office Word document or Excel or PowerPoint slide, anything. Okay, choose any one of this, then click on OK. So your Word platform now is in your VB application. Okay, so here you will be ready to create a new document because we choose an option new. Okay, so if we create a new option, type something. Okay, just you type anything. So you type here so now it's our Word document file. Okay, so you'll have to done any formatting, then what are the options available in our Word document, all are in here. Okay, so that is the create from new. Okay, suppose if you create a from your file list means they say get an any one of the linked application from your file list means. Okay, so once again draw a OLE container control. Each and every time you can get an object from your toolbox, because by using one OLE object you can linked or embedded any one of the application. Okay, so here already we create one application, so we can't use this OLE container control to embed into some other applications. Okay, so we'll create next new OLE object here. Then it automatically goes to insert object dialog box. Now we select we choose create from file. Okay, so create from file, then where you get just to click on browse button to select any one of the document from your file. That is, suppose I'll choose a calculator, then open means that file come to this dialog box. Then it is in linking means just to click the link checkbox. Okay, then press on OK. So now it automatically create a linked object. Okay, just if we click this, then it automatically goes to your corresponding application. Okay, so now I'll link here it's one of the VB application program also, so it automatically goes to that is a calculator program. Okay, so suppose if you link any Excel format or Excel sheet or any one of the Word document or PowerPoint slide means just you create that file as your link. So next one is how to create an that is embedding from file. So once again draw a OLE object and create from file. Once again press and browse. Here we select any one of the document. Okay, so now that particular Word document is in here. Just to press OK. Suppose if it is in linking means just to click on this checkbox, that is link checkbox, otherwise you don't to use that. So OK. So now embedding that object. So here the whole data shown here. Okay, so that is called embedding, it's linking. Okay, so now just to run your VB application. So in that application it's linking. Okay, just to double click the OLE control, it automatically arise one question, that is, do you want to open this file? Okay, so yes, open. So automatically what will be there? Your document, that is in this session I linked a VB application. Okay, so that calculator program will be opened here. Okay, just to move here means you can do anything means just to give your updates, otherwise so exit. Now so in this form it's a Word document. Okay, so your new created file, isn't it? So it's only created here also. So we perform any changes done here, it is okay. is our once again it's also our embedded object. So just if we click your right button, it will give two more options. So whether you edit this or open this. Open means this file should be open into Word document. Okay, suppose if it is an Excel sheet means it's automatically open into MS Word Excel. Okay, so it's a Word document. So here it will be that file is in Word document. If you perform any changes means you have to done here, then click save. So give the any one of the name. So then just to exit. Okay, so now you perform any changes means it also be changed into your original document also. Okay, so that's the OLD linking. That's to perform this linking means it will arise one question, that is how you open this file or not. So give a open means automatically go to that particular place. Okay, so that is a linked object. So embedding means it will retrieve the data also. Okay, so that's the difference between linking and embedding, isn't it? Okay. So now here create an object by using another one of the method, that is a paste special dialog box. Okay, so in these three OLE controls using insert object dialog box only. Okay, my next one is paste special dialog box. By using that object, how to create a objects. Okay, that is here also we use one of the OLE container control. What's the use of paste dialog box means? That is just to paste a particular, that is embedded a particular portion of the Word document or particular part of the Excel worksheet, we can copy it into our VB application. Okay, so here also the whole part of the century code should be copied here. Suppose if you want these two options only means, that is these two rows only you want to retrieve means just to using paste special dialog box. Okay, so that particular portion of the document only copied, only embedded into your VB dialog box. Okay, so to select this that is where this in there, that is a Microsoft Word document. So go to there. So before that, when you use an paste option, when there is something in your clipboard session, then only the paste option should be performed, isn't it? So before that you must go any one of the Word document and select which portion you should be copied here means. So okay, so in this portion I will copy only this. So welcome to this session. Then just to copy this. Okay, here there is one option, that is paste special dialog box. Okay, that is paste special, not for paste it's an ordinary paste, it's a paste special. So where you get that paste, that is that clipboard actions is in from where, that is Microsoft Office Word document. Okay, already the clipped portion from Microsoft Office Word. Okay, so Okay, here already one more office is in, so just to delete this. Okay, welcome to this session. So the clipped portion only displayed here. Okay, but the whole word document is good morning, welcome to this session. But now we want only this portion of document only copied here. That's why by using paste special dialog box. Okay, so these are the OLE container controls. Okay, thank you.